In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your favicon on Wix, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to using Wix or looking to refresh the look of your site, updating your favicon is a quick and simple way to add a personal touch to your web presence. So, let's get started and walk through the steps together. First, what you'll want to do is log into your Wix account and head over to your site's dashboard. If you're not sure how to get there, simply log into Wix and select the site you'd like to work on. The dashboard is your central hub for managing your site, and it's where you'll find all the tools you need to customize and maintain your website. Once you're in your site's dashboard, go ahead and click on Design Site. This option is usually found in the sidebar, and it's where you'll manage the overall design elements of your site, including your favicon. This is the little icon that appears in the Browser tab next to your site's name and can greatly impact how users recognize your site. Next, you'll need to navigate to Settings and then select Favicon. Here's where you'll be able to see options related to your favicon. Now, it's important to remember, if you're using a free plan with Wix, you won't be able to change your favicon just yet. This feature is reserved for users with a paid plan. So, if this is a feature you're interested in, you might consider upgrading your plan. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in how professionally your site is perceived. For those with a paid plan, let's move on to uploading your new favicon. Click on the Upload Image button. You have a couple of options here. You can either select an existing image from your media library, if you have something you've already uploaded, or you can upload a new image directly from your computer. It's a good idea to use a simple, recognizable image for your favicon, ideally something that represents your brand or website's theme. After choosing your favicon image, you'll want to make sure it's saved and published. Don't forget to click on Save and Publish to ensure your changes go live. It's an easy step to overlook, but it's crucial because publishing your changes is what makes them visible to your site visitors. And that wraps up our quick guide on how to change your favicon on Wix. It's an easy process that can have a meaningful impact on your site's appearance and brand recognition. Implementing these changes ensures your website maintains a professional edge and keeps your branding consistent. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more website tips and tricks.